Welcome to this video on English idiomatic expressions. Language goes beyond mere words and grammar. It's a treasure trove of vibrant and distinctive phrases that infuse our conversations with richness and depth. In today's journey, we'll explore some of the most intriguing and frequently employed idiomatic expressions in the English language. These expressions transcend language. They offer us glimpses into the culture and inventive spirit of English speakers. So, let's embark on this exploration of the linguistic gems that make English a truly captivating language. Okay, let's begin. English idiomatic expressions. Actions speak louder than words. What you do is more important than what you say. The idiom, actions speak louder than words, highlights the idea that a person's actions carry more significance and truth than their verbal expressions. It stresses the importance of judging individuals based on their tangible behaviors rather than relying solely on what they say. This principle applies across various contexts, emphasizing the credibility and sincerity revealed through observable actions. Here are the usages of the idiom, actions speak louder than words, in various contexts. Leadership. In a leadership role, actions speak louder than words. The manager's behavior sets the tone for the team. If they want to instill punctuality, they need to demonstrate it through their actions, being on time to meetings, respecting deadlines, and showcasing the behavior they expect from their team. This not only fosters a culture of accountability but also earns the respect of team members. Relationships. In relationships, promises alone aren't enough. True support is demonstrated through actions. If someone pledges to be more supportive, their actions should align, offering assistance, showing empathy, and being present during challenging moments. This creates trust and strengthens the bond between individuals, emphasizing that genuine care is shown through tangible actions, not just words. Health and fitness. Adopting a healthy lifestyle involves consistent actions. Mere words about healthy living are not as impactful as visible behaviors. If someone expresses a commitment to health and fitness, their actions should reflect it, engaging in regular exercise, making nutritious food choices, and maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Actions not only demonstrate personal commitment but also inspire and motivate others to follow suit. Now, let's examine some examples of the idiom, actions speak louder than words. The teacher encouraged students to be punctual, but it was the timely completion of assignments that illustrated how actions speak louder than words. Sarah promised to adopt a healthier lifestyle, but it was her daily exercise routine and nutritious meals that proved actions speak louder than words. Instead of just praising employees for their hard work, the supervisor decided to reward them with bonuses. It's a clear case of actions speaking louder than words. Jake told his friend he was there for support, but lending a helping hand in times of need truly showed that actions speak louder than words. The environmentalist not only advocated for conservation but actively participated in tree planting events, exemplifying how actions speak louder than words in protecting the planet. For a better understanding and immersion, listen to the story to see how the idiom, actions speak louder than words, is used in it. A healing friendship. In a friendship that had hit a rough patch, Alex and Taylor found themselves in a situation where trust had been eroded due to past misunderstandings. Although they both expressed a desire to mend the friendship verbally, the atmosphere remained strained. However, Alex understood that actions speak louder than words. Wanting to rebuild trust, Alex decided to take concrete actions. Instead of just saying sorry, Alex actively listened to Taylor's concerns, acknowledged past mistakes, and consistently demonstrated a change in behavior. This included being more reliable, keeping promises, and showing genuine care. Over time, Taylor noticed these actions and began to feel a shift in the dynamics of their friendship. The trust that had been damaged started to rebuild gradually. In this case, the actions taken to address the issues spoke louder than mere words of apology, leading to a more authentic and restored friendship. As the friendship continued to strengthen, both Alex and Taylor realized that the key to a lasting bond was not just in verbal expressions of commitment but in the ongoing actions that reflected those words. The shared experiences, mutual support, and the commitment to understanding each other's needs solidified their friendship, proving once again that actions indeed speak louder than words in the realm of genuine connections. In the questions section, you should think about what we've learned and recall the knowledge so that you can answer the questions easily. So, read the questions and find the correct answer below. 1. What does the idiom, "actions speak louder than words," primarily emphasize? A. Verbal communication is superior. B. Physical actions are more impactful. C. Actions are meaningless. D. Both words and actions are equally important. 2. How does the idiom relate to the importance of communication? A. It highlights the significance of words over actions. B. It suggests that actions and words are equally essential in communication. C. It underscores the importance of actions in communication. D. It implies that words are more impactful than actions. 3. In which situation would the idiom, "actions speak louder than words," be most applicable? A. A person consistently demonstrating their commitment. B. A person making a heartfelt promise. C. All situations are equally relevant. D. Promises are more significant. 4. In a professional setting, how might one apply the principle of, "actions speak louder than words"? A. By crafting compelling verbal narratives. B. By delivering persuasive presentations. C. By consistently delivering high-quality work. D. All options are equally valid. As we conclude our exploration of English idiomatic expressions, I hope you've enjoyed this linguistic adventure. Idioms are the hidden treasures of any language, revealing the culture, history, and humor of its speakers. By understanding and using idioms, you not only become a more fluent communicator, but also gain insights into the soul of the English language. So, go ahead, break a leg, and start using these phrases to add richness and depth to your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms can be a piece of cake if you bite the bullet and practice regularly. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and until next time, happy idiom hunting.